Are you curious about investing but don't know where to start? In this review, I'll walk you through my real experience with the Acorns investment app, a micro-investing platform that simplifies investing for beginners. Acorns rounds up your everyday purchases and invests the spare change into diversified portfolios, making it easy to grow your wealth with minimal effort. Acorns Overview. Acorns is designed for beginners who want a hands-off approach to investing. The app automatically invests your spare change by rounding up your purchases from linked cards. You could also set up recurring contributions to steadily grow your account. One of the key advantages of Acorns is its simple user interface, making it easy to track your progress, choose your risk level, and view your portfolio's performance. Acorns' advantage is automatic investing. Acorns does all the heavy lifting for you by rounding up purchases and investing the spare change. Diverse portfolios. The app uses portfolios made up of ETFs from reputable institutions like Vanguard and BlackRock. User-friendly. Acorns is incredibly easy to use, making it ideal for people who are new to investing. Affordable. The app offers low-cost options starting at just $3 per month, making it accessible for almost anyone. Additional features. Acorns offers features like Acorns Later for retirement savings and Acorns Early to start saving for kids, expanding the app's usefulness. Acorns' disadvantages: monthly fees. While the fees are relatively low, they can take a significant chunk of your savings if you're investing small amounts. Limited control. You can't pick individual stocks or bonds, as everything is bundled into pre-made portfolios. And tax loss harvesting. Some more advanced investment apps offer tax-saving features, but Acorns does not. Acorns can be an excellent option for new investors looking to dip their toes into the market without being overwhelmed by complex options. However, as with any investing tool, it's essential to understand the fees and limitations. If you're looking for more control over your investment or lower fees, you might want to explore other options. Service overview and costs. Acorns offers 3 tiers of pricing. Acorns Personal, $3 per month, includes investing, retirement, and checking accounts. Acorns Family, $5 per month, includes everything in personal plus investment account for children. The monthly fees might seem minimal, but for smaller accounts, they can eat into your returns. On the upside, you get a streamlined, easy-to-use service that takes the guesswork out of investing. Advertising integration. PrimeXBD. Are you tired of the ups and downs of trading and constantly analyzing market trends? PrimeXBD offers a seamless solution. Copy the trades of experienced, successful traders and replicate their strategies automatically. With PrimeXBD, you can step up your trading game without all the hassle. Just register, make a deposit, and start copying winning trades today. To wrap it up, Acorns provides an excellent entry point for people new to investing, offering a simple and accessible way to grow your wealth over time. If you're ready to take your investing to the next level and start copying successful traders, don't forget to check the link in the description. Make sure to subscribe and give this video a like if you found it helpful.